Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you about simple example problem in simple stresses and strains in strength of materials. Here, one rigid bar is given, which is hinged at point A, and load is applied at point B, 30 kilonewtons vertical load, and two identical steel wires are there, T1 and T2. Okay, by applying this load, tension occurs in this T1 and T2. We have to find out those tensile forces. Okay, I'll show you. So here, given two identical wires means the area of the cross section, lengths and values of E for both the wires is same. Okay, so A1 equal to A2, that is area of the first wire equal to area of the second wire, and same E1 equal to E2, L1 equal to L2. T1 is tension in first wire and T2 tension in second wire. The load is given 30 kilonewtons. Kilonewtons nothing but 30,000 newtons. So delta 1 is extension of the first wire, delta 2 is extension of the second wire. Since the bar is rigid, it remains straight. Hence the extensions delta 1 and delta 2 nothing but this delta 1 and delta 2 is nothing but delta 1 is AC. So here delta 1 is nothing but AC and delta 2 is nothing but A to D. That is the extension. Delta 1 is the extension of the wire, delta 2 is the extension of this wire. So delta 1 AC is nothing but 1 meter length and AD is nothing but 2 meters length. AC is 1 meter and AD is 2 meters from here to here, 1 plus 1. So I wrote this equation like 2 into delta 1 equal to delta 2. I am considering this equation as 1. So delta 1 is extension of the wire, nothing but stress into length L1 by E1. So stress in EC, that is the first wire. Here EC, stress in the first wire. So stress formula is load by area. So load is T1 and area into length L1 and by E1. So I write this equation like this. And same delta 2, stress in FD. Similarly FD, so T2. So I wrote this equation like this. After that I substitute this delta 1 and delta 2 values in this equation. So I wrote this equation like this. So here our condition is identical wires. So A1 equal to A2, E1 equal to E2 and L1 equal to L2. So this L1 and L1 cancel, A2 all values are cancelled. So 2 into T1 equal to T2. This is equation 2. After that I am considering moment at A. So moment at A means here the moment at A. So moment formula is force into perpendicular distance from A point. So here first is from this point. So this is T1, this is the force and this is the perpendicular distance. So T1 into 1. So T1 into 1. Next T2 into 2. Next T2 into 2. Okay, T2 into 2, 1 plus 1. This is force and this is perpendicular distance. Next 30 into 3. So 30 into 3 is nothing but this is 30 force into perpendicular distance. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So total 90. So I consider this as equation 3. So after solving this, I got 5T1 equal to 90. Okay, so T1 equal to 90 by 5, that is 18 kilonewtons. T2 equal to, I substitute the value 2 into 18, that equal to 36 kilonewtons. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.